Guys, I'm very sorry, my first video which I dropped is not here, is not clear. My voice is not clear due to I make the video at night. So now I will just make sure I teach you guys on how I made everything. Like I will show you, I'll review it for you. So now when you enter your sketchware, this is how to load. So once it load, once your sketchware load, now actually I told you guys that my next video will be on how you can make your art to show artists, like to show it art. So that's what we are here for today, but I'll just be reviewing the other one so that you can have the good experience of it. So now once the sketchware load, once it load, so it's going to show you your previous data which you left it with. So now the app is still loading. So once it loads and it's open, you click, you write your app name. So once you write your app name, then now it has loaded. So this is the project 7 which I made yesterday. So now I'll click on it. I just want to review it for you guys on how I make everything. So now this is how I made it. Actually it's going to restore the other one where I stopped then. So that's what it's going to show. So now once it also load here, it asks me if I should restore the one I make to the first presentation. So now yeah, I'll click restore. So you see, you see that's the first one I made. So this is the first one. So this is how I made everything. Once I click here the first one, then I click library. Once I click library, it asks me, it shows admob. So it asks me to watch a video. So this is it. So after you watch a video, you can input your banner and station ad. So this is where you put it. Then make sure this place is enabled. That's where I make sure mention on here, and make sure it's enabled. So once it's enabled, then you can go on. Then come back to your sketchware board. Then what you have to do then, once you go back to your sketchware, is just to drag your add view as much as you want. Then once you drag the add view, you run now to input some add view click. So let me actually be showing you guys once this one load finish. So that's what it's going to be showing us. So I'm sorry for the first video. It's not, my voice is not clear, so don't be too greedy. If you are not having a step, like don't understand a step, let me know. So now it's showing us ads. So I'm not for ads. So now that you must go for the first step before it's going to you're going to show this one. You must click here and input your banner ad. So once you input the banner ads, you cannot drag those the ad view here. So I'm not dragging it, so I've already finished this app. So that's it for it. So now you click on components. Once you click on event, then on activity, you come to your view. Then once you come to your view, you are going to see add load, so which we need from this panel here. So this add load, you drag it out, you drag the add load out. So that's that. Then you input it, you drag it accordingly. So once you drag only one add view here, it's going to show you the number of add you are going to drag. So now this one, now if you count, it is 10. So it's 10. So that means you are going to drag 10 add you out. Then you input it accordingly, like 1 2 3 to 10. So it might shows number like this, something like 11 at the middle. Don't hesitate, just click it. Like once you reach the level, just click accordingly, don't jump. So yeah, that's how it works. So you go back, then on button 1, everything is done. So I just want to make sure I make it say also it's also the same thing on activity and also on button 1. So that is how it works. So the other one too on button 2. On button 2 is the statistician. So what you have to do is to come to your component, then you drag statistician create and statistician add load. So create and this load. So this is what you need. It makes it easy. You make it create and load. So that's just that. Then once you drag it out, then you input add. So you make it like this. I make everything clear, but my voice is not clear at the video there. So now you go back, then come to your component, you click on the dot here, Then once you click on the dot, that means you want to add an institution ID. So we are not adding due to I've already finished the step. So now once you click here on your institution ID on add load, so once you click on add load, so you are going to come to your components also. Then you drag show. So your ad must show. So that's what you need. Then once you drag the show, then you go back, you do the same steps to the second one here, make it 3. So you do the same step. So on this one, all you have to do is to come to your component also, to drag this toast outside. Then you come to your operator, you also drag this join, and then you also drag to string without decimal. So then you pitch everything on one step here. Then you add this word add load fail error. Then you drag this code error here, you drag it to the middle. So that's that for that. So now actually we are through with the first one, so I've run the first one. So now today I'll be teaching you guys on how you can make it to show real ads. You can start self clicking and immersively with it. So now everything is done here. So I think I've already run the app. So the app is still showing us test ID. So like it's not giving us read. So now this is what we need. This is what we need before it starts showing us real ads. So let me show you how the test ad is still showing us. This is the app dealer app. So now the ad is still showing us some, can you see, still showing us only test ad. So which we can't self click on this one because it's not actually, you can't enter through this one actually. So what we are going to do now is to make sure we have our own real ad. So that's what we are going to do. So now we still go back to your your sketchway. Go back to your sketchway. So that's where we get started about to make it shows real ad. So once you enter your sketchway, assuming you are from your own app and you want to make it to show real ads, so you just do your sketchway like this. Like you remove the content there, then you reload again. Once you reload, it's going to show you your project. So once it shows your project, then you let the video load. So I'll make it, I can show you what you click next. I'm actually the first video, my voice was too low due to I make the video at night, so sorry. So you can follow the tricks I also make. Yeah. So once the load, now it's still loading. All you have to do is just to click on, once you have to do is just to click on sign in and export. So once you click on sign in, it will ask you to watch a video or you subscribe. So I will actually take you guys to watch a video instead of just subscribing. So I'll be watching the video to show us active what we want. So can you see, is that you pay them 810 or you watch the video? So I will be pausing the video because their video is going on long. So once I watch the video finish, I will show you what is going to show. Yeah, I'm truly watching the video. So now once you have to click is sign in APK. So once you click on sign, so it's going to load the APK, like it's rebuild the APK. It's going to sign the APK to your file on your phone. So now it's still signing the APK. It takes some time, so I'll pause the video. So once the APK is signing, so I'll continue the presentation live. I'll show you what next. Yeah, it's true with the generating, like the generate app. So this is how it shows one designed in APK. So now you have to go to your file. I don't know, maybe the one I use. I'm using file. So once you click the file, then you see you go to your main page on your file. So the sketchway is already there. This sketchway, so you click on it. Then can you see it has assigned the APK into my file? This is it. Check the time? It's 10:26. So 10:26, it has assigned the APK file on my phone. So now I'll be clicking on it. Then this step is for you to reinstall the app. So you reinstall the app, then you go and you install the other one. So once you click here, then you go back and you install the other one, the one that is already on your phone. Because if you don't install it, the other one won't install. If you don't install this one, the other one will won't install. So this one is installing now. So once it shows like this, is because I've already installed. So you click on install anyway, so it will install. Then you click on. So actually this one won't to show, this one will not show you, it won't show you any ads, like it won't show you the, you've already deleted the real one, the one that shows you real one. So this one won't show you any ad view, like don't show you anyone. So you need to rebuild it again to show you, to make it view.